Now that we've built the structure, my wife has a place to keep plants, and we have a fire pit and barbecue grills. It's a gathering place now. This is Rick and Connie Kirsch, and this is our carport. Protection from the weather is really the main reason this structure is here, and the structure has already been through several 60-mile-an-hour winds, and it's sturdy as a rock. Well, this carport has turned out to be an enjoyable living space. As you can see, we have a fire pit, chairs, and we have several grills that my son barbecues, and my wife Connie here is the green thumb, and it's a wonderful place for her plants. I went online, and islands kept popping up, got on their little build thing, built this exact structure, and when I looked at the 3D builder online, I could see the structure and how it was built. I could rotate it, could see the A-frames, braces, and how high I needed to make them for our vehicles to fit comfortably without hitting them. It was just extremely easy. Nothing but good things to say about the 3D builder program. We went 8 foot just to get clearance more for our vehicles. We don't have to worry about hail anymore and moving mowers and cars in and out of the garage. Experience with islands would be the ease of ordering and designing the structure. Really didn't talk to anybody. I did it all through online, sent the plans in, paid my 10% down. They called a week before, said they would come out on a Thursday. It was back in June. Crew was wonderful, came out about 2, got finished about 7. I made it easy for my neighbor because he just chose to build the exact same garage right next door.